2022 Subaru BRZ. Before we start, please subscribe our channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified for the new video upload. The new Subaru BRZ Japanese specification released. In pursuit of better car manufacturing with Toyota, evolved into the ultimate FR pure sports car that everyone can enjoy. New 2.4-liter horizontally opposed four-cylinder engine that achieves both powerful acceleration and good feeling. Further advanced control performance that allows the driver to operate from daily life to the limit area at will. Safety performance evolved by adopting the first driving support system EyeSight. Scheduled to be released in Japan in the summer of 2021. The Subaru BRZ is a pure sports car with an FR layout, equipped with a horizontally opposed engine. The first model released in 2012 realized excellent handling performance, with the world's top-class low center of gravity, by mounting a horizontally opposed engine, with the features of low center of gravity, lightweight and compact at a low position. As a feature of the joint development of the GR86 and the new Subaru BRZ by Toyota and Subaru, focusing on giving different driving tastes that extend each individuality while sharing the base of the car. As a result of working hard with the GR86 development team, the new Subaru BRZ has realized the ultimate FR pure sports car that everyone can enjoy. The fun of driving that is unique to a sports car that has been further refined. The enjoyment of driving that stimulates the sensibilities and brings out an uplifting feeling, which is unique to pure sports cars, has been further emphasized. Equipped with a new 2.4-liter horizontally opposed four-cylinder engine, with a larger displacement than the first model. Torque is improved by thoroughly strengthening intake and exhaust performance and reducing friction. The response is quick, and it brings a powerful acceleration, with the feeling of a sports car that smoothly blows up to high revs. For automatic transmission vehicles, sport mode control has evolved. When it is determined that the car is driving in sports, the optimum shift operation is automatically performed according to the driver's intention and operation, enabling more direct cornering. By incorporating the know-how gained from the development of the Subaru Global Platform and reconstructing the body by adopting the inner frame structure and structural adhesives, the front lateral bending rigidity is about 60%, and the torsional rigidity is increased compared to the first model, significantly improved to about 50%. It has improved responsiveness to steering operation, realized lighter movement, and improved traction performance when turning. Lightweight aluminum is used for the roof, hood, and front fender, at the same time as suppressing the weight increase due to the improvement of engine output and safety. The front, rear, left and right weights have been optimized, and the center of gravity has been further lowered to improve exercise performance. Vehicles equipped with 18-inch aluminum wheels are equipped with 215 by 40 R18 Michelin Pilot Sport tires. With excellent control performance and response performance, the enjoyment of driving has been further enhanced. At first glance, the design is like a sports car with a sense of dynamism that gives a feeling of high driving performance. The lower and wider hexagon grille insists on a low center of gravity, and the core that starts from the grille and continues to the rear expresses the strength of the trunk. The narrowed cabin and the dynamic inflection of the powerfully overhanging fenders raise expectations for sports car-like driving. A large number of aerodynamic items, such as side sill spoilers and air outlets, located behind the front fenders that not only add an accent to the design, but also have the functionality to maximize the performance of a sports car are adopted. A wide field of view is secured by a simple horizontal instrument panel and a low-meter visor. An indoor space where you can concentrate and enjoy driving. Adopts a digital meter that combines a 7-inch TFT LCD panel and a segment LCD panel. It displays the necessary information in an easy-to-understand manner, making it possible to intuitively grasp the information in all situations, from daily driving to sports driving. Sports seats that provide high holdability and fit create an environment where you can concentrate on driving without getting tired, and accurately convey the behavior of the car to the driver. The driving support system EyeSight is standard equipment on automatic transmission vehicles. Pre-crash brakes and cruise control, with all speed tracking functions, support safe and comfortable movement. Collision safety performance has been improved by strengthening the body, by expanding the use of high-strength steel sheets, and strengthening occupant protection systems such as various airbags. What do you think of 2022 Subaru BRZ? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.